the torch I will pass to my successor. We will continue to try our best. We want to do more with our colleagues to the great city, Laoag, and the province. We are partners. We want to do more, not only improve agriculture, but also city government governance and in trade, economy, and tourism. So you have quite a few beautiful sceneries here. We want to do more. We will consult before we leave, and also I have some idea before I departure next month, the 17th. Yeah, we want to do more for the city and pass my torch to my successor. Thank you very much for your support. Thank you.